today, talking about modules. So let's start about modules. Modules in Python. Modules in Python. This is what I am discussing in the class. Let's start discussion about modules in Python. Okay. So there what I am discussing now, index. I'm going to talk and don't take much time. It's very, very easy. Nothing is difficult. This will take 2 days, today and tomorrow. Today I will cover the concept and examples, basic level 1 examples, level 2 examples, and tomorrow we'll go. What we discuss here, purpose of modules, purpose of modules, purpose of modules we'll discuss. Next time talking about the definition of module, definition of module, definition of module. Next we'll talk about types of modules, types of modules. There we talked about predefined modules, predefined modules, predefined modules. Second one we'll talk about programmer, user or custom defined modules, custom defined modules. Next, steps for developing, steps for developing, steps for developing programmer defined modules, steps for defining, steps for developing programmer defined modules. Well, and next, number of approaches to use modules, number of approaches to use modules by using import statement, by using import statement. Second one, by using from import statement, from import statement, followed by programming examples, followed by programming examples. This is level 1. This is called a level 1 explanation. Level 2, reloading modules, reloading modules, reloading modules. Next we are talking about programming examples, programming examples. Reloading module, IMP or IMP/ import lib module, import lib module, import lib module, import lib module, programming examples, followed by use cases. So this is the tomorrow's lecture. So today's lecture will be up to here. This is what I am going to discuss. Let's start without late. Now I'm going to talk about very, very easy. Go to the place, 6 p.m. Modules here. Under that, notes. I'll talk about index of modules. Index of modules. Done. Start up. Fine. So everything I am discussing in this class is very, very simple. One thing you remember, module contains functions internally. Functions you already aware of it, almost 10 days I explained. And today, in module, everything is called a function, that's all. How it is useful, I am going to discuss. Let's start the discussion now. Yesterday's class, I used it, FUNC tools. Dot what? Reduce. What is reduce of? What is reduce of? The function name. That function name is present in where? FUNC tools module. So you may ask a question, sir, so far we did not use any module now, but all of a sudden modules are coming. What is the need of the modules? That is what my discussion starts. Carefully follow, students. Don't take much time. Let me start the first example now. Beginning example. Look at. I am taking some example here, something like this. Maths info dot py. Pi is equal to 3.14. E is equal to 2.71. What are these two are called? What are these two are called? Huh? Global variables. Very good. Global variables. By looking at the variable, you can easily say what are these variables are called. So I'm writing here Pi and E are called what? Global variables. Global variables they are called. Where can I access this variable so far? In the same program. How do you do it? Print of value of Pi is equal to Pi. Value of E I am writing. Value of E I am writing. I am writing here. Value of E I am writing E. Save this code, students. Maths info. I am saving my file name. It is called what here? File name. Save this code. Maths info. Go to the place. I say 6 p.m. Go to modules here. Under that, you save it. Done. You run this code, students. Come on here. Say here, now I am going to take it. Python, 6 p.m. Say here, modules here. Now I want to run this code. Run this code. How do you run it? Py, maths info. I got the data. Okay. Now this indicates this program is developed by me, used by me only. This program is developed by me, used by me only. These variables are developed by me, used by me only in the same program, correct? But in real time, whatever you have taken it, the other person don't write the same thing once again. Correct? He will try to reuse that variables in some other program. Now I am writing some other program. Carefully watch it. Others. Here very modules are dead easy. Say others. Who is this? se1.py. se1.py. What he is doing? He is not writing the variables here. He is writing those things in where some other program is writing. Reusing the global variables of what? Here se1 is trying to reuse the global variables of one program in where another program. Reusing the global variables of one program into where another program. I am going to, who is using? se1 is using. se1.py. Online students, carefully understand. Is this executed or not? Come on. Is this code will execute or not? No. Which line error? Line number 3 error. Why error? When it comes to line number 3, you are using variable pi. Do you have pi here? No, it is what error? Name error. See that? se1.py. Don't take much time, students. Easy. See that error. What is that error? Name error. You cannot. Well, keep a comment. One more time, what error? E. One more E not defined. That means I will write a symbol, commenting symbol. Now, nothing I am asking. Hence, what did you understand so far? Whichever program you used variables, in the same program only we are using the variables. In other program, we are not able to reuse. Hence, what we are looking today, if my team leader uses some variables in his program, I want to use that variables in my code. That is called what? reusability of the global variables across the programs. Reusability of the global variables across the programs. To reuse the variables across the programs, you need one packing item. That packing item is called a module. Are you getting or not? If you want to get your lunch box from your home to here, will you pack it and get it or not? Lunch box. That lunch box is called what? Module. Module. Inside of that are called what? Values. Are you getting? So coming to the point back, I'm trying to say, what I am trying to say, tell me, what is my requirement? I want to reuse global variables of one program into another program. We will use the concept of what? Modules. So what is the use of modules? Modules will provide data shareability across the programs, provided both the programs present in where? Same folder. Same folder. You may ask a question, sir, if they are present in different folder, what will happen? Modules will not, module will not provide. Package will provide that. Package is an extension to what? Module. Are you getting? So what is my present today's discussion? Don't take much time immediately. Modules are used for to access the global variables from one program to another program. That's why we will go for what? From now onwards, program to program sharing the data. What we need? Modules. Shall I go now? How simple, sir? Now I am going to make it what? What is this mathsinfo.1? File name. I want to use the data in which program? SE1. Now I want to use which data? PI and E in where? SE1. Today, I want to create my own module. Last class already you know. Now I'm not going to, already done. FUNC tools. FUNC tools is a predefined module or not? Math is a predefined module or not? Calendar, etc. From now onwards, so many number of modules will come. How though they are all called which modules? Predefined. Today, we are creating our own module for our own data sharing across the programs. That's why I am defining my module today. How to define the module, sir? Very, very simple, sir. Nothing is required. Whatever the file name is there, that file name itself acts as what? Acts as what? Which name? That's all. Every file name in Python is a module name. That's all. There is no special development for that. Whatever the file name is there, that act as which name? Now come on, online student. This is only the final technique. Coming to this area, tell me now, what should I do now? Import. What is the statement for reusing the module features? Import. There are two things are there. Number of approaches to reuse modules. Number of approaches to reuse module. One is by using, one more by using from import. Today I am using what here? Import. What is this? Mathsinfo. That's all. Come on, how do you access it now? Only after importing, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Execute. Execute. Error. You have to call that variable by using which name? Come on, how do you write it? Mathsinfo dot what? Right. Similarly, next. Mathsinfo dot what? That's all. Execute, students. I got it. 3.14, 2.71. Got it or not? Easy or difficult? So creating module is easy or difficult? Easy. Why? Because no separate explanation. Every file name of Python is called module name. How to access the module related variables? Module name dot variable name, module name dot variable name. Of course, some different syntaxes I'll tell you, students. Don't worry. Online students, up to here, is it easy? Now I want to go for second example. Let me go to the second example. Careful. Another example. I am going to introduce like this. Look at. I am writing DEF sum OP A comma B A comma B. Print of sum of, I'll write it, AB is equal to C. Dot format of A comma B comma A plus B. I'm writing. Next I'm writing one more function. One more function I'm writing. What is this now? Sub OP. Sub OP. I'm writing here sub of. I'm writing what now? Minus. Next I'm writing one more here. What is this now? MULOP. MULOP. Now I am writing MUL here. What is this now? A star B. That's all. What are all these things are called? Functions. I am giving my file name as what? AOP.py. What is this is called now? File name. Now, how we used to run this program earlier? How we used to run this program? In the same place. Functions I am coming now. Come on. Sum OP of what? 1020. 1020. Just run this code. Observe this code. Students, how easy it is. Go to the place. Now I am going to take up. Here I am going to write it. Save this now. Done. Try to run this code once. Py. AOP.py. Answer is coming or not? Well, next you call it as once again. One more is called what? Sub OP. Next you call it as what? MULOP. Execute it. Got the answer called all of them. That indicates we are calling the function. We defined the function. We called the function. Where? In the same place. In the same place we defined it. In the same place we called also. That indicates what? Functions will provide the reusability within the same program only. Functions are meant for what? Performing the operation and provides the reusability in which program? Same program it will provide. Okay, students. This code, cut it. Now, I am writing in where? Some other program I am writing. Some other person who is called what? SE2, another programmer is writing like this. Function calls in another program, function definition in one program. What is happening? You see, function calls in one program, function definition is in one more program. You see now, save this code, do this now, students, what happens? So here, save as, I say here, se2.py, done. So, done. Execute it now. You try to run it, say py se2.py, error. Why error? In this place function call is there, but what is not there? Good. So error. What is that? Sum OP is not defined. This indicates function call in one place, function definition is in one place. So functions are meant for performing operation. Provides the reusability up to where? Same program, but not able to provide the reusability across the program. To provide the reusability across the program, which concept I have to use? That's all. Next, keep the comment, keep the comment, execute, sub OP error, keep the error, keep the comment, same MULOP error, keep the comment for MULOP also error. Now it is going to be done. No answer is coming. That indicates functions provides a reusability within where? Same program only, not able to provide the reusability across the program. If I want to reuse the functions across the programs, I must go for what? Right. This is called what name? And today acts as what? Come on. So defining module is easy or difficult? Easy. Once you want to define a module, functions are required. Once you want to define a module, global variables are required. Local variables are not shareable. Formal variables are not shareable. Global variables only shareable. Functions definition shareable from one program to another program. Come on to the point back. Now I am going to say, come here. Now I am going to write it. Tell me all of you. Still it is an error if you write it. What is this now? AOP dot if you write it. AOP dot if you write it. AOP dot if you write it, you will get error. What is that error? AOP not found. You see, AOP not found. AOP. Name error is coming. AOP. Now, go to the place now. I am writing what here? Import AOP. After importing AOP, if you remove AOP here, that also no use. You have to import and you have to call it. Execute it. Also error will come. Sum OP not defined. You call it. How you can call it? Tell me. AOP dot sum OP. You get the sum OP answer. Sub OP error will come again. See, sum OP answer came. Sub OP error came. You go to back once again. I'll say what again? AOP dot. Sub OP answer is coming. MLOP sub OP answer came. MLOP not defined. Go to the place now. AOP dot. Execute it, students. Now see finally answer is coming like this. What did you understand with this? Modules are containing global variables, functions. What is the definition of module? A module is a collection of global variables, functions, and also class names also will present. Class names you don't know so far. In further, I will tell you. So module is a collection of what? Global variables, functions, and class names also will be there. That also will add it. What is the advantage of modules? The advantage of modules concept is that to share the data, to share the global variables, functions, class names from one program into another program, provided both the programs present in the same folder. If they are present in different folder, we'll go for another type of mechanism called what? Packages. We will take it. Are you able to get my point? Well, one more example I will take. One more example. Please look at that. Now I am taking one more example. Online students, did you understand up to here? Did you understand up to here, students? Everybody try to respond. Now I am going to introduce one more. Take care, students. Now I am taking ICICI.py. B name is equal to ICICI. Something like ADDR is equal to what you know, HYD. DE of simple int function I am going to take it. Simple int function I am going to take up. So I don't want to write the same code once again. I want to bring my code. So 6 p.m. under loops, some code I told you now. Simple int. Somewhere else I might be taught. I hope so. In where data read, I hope. Simple int. Simple int is there. Here it is available. This code I will bring, student. This code I will bring it. I'll write it here. I'll just wrote it. The function. What did you understand? These two are called what? Here I say, here B name and what? ADDR are called what? Global variables. Global variables. What this is called now? Function definition. Function. Good. So ICICI is called what here? And that's all. Module name. File name and good. Save this. Dear students, if anything is treated as a module name, do you know? Internally, one folder is created. One folder created, students. What is that folder? That folder name is __ PyCache. PYCACHE. __ will be created. From now onwards, any variable or any folder contains a double underscore first and a double underscore last. That is called magical variables, we can call. Magical variables, magic variables, or also called as what? Dunder variables, we can call. Nothing is there in that. Some people may be asking what is dunder variable or dunder folder, dunder method. Anything starts with a double underscore, ends with a double underscore. That is called magic method, magic variable, magic folder. Also called as dunder variable, dunder function name. Under that, so far we have seen what? AOP module is there or not? What is that AOP? AOP is a file name dot C Python. What is our standard Python name? C Python hyphen 311 or 310 dot pyc. This is the way which is created internally. This indicates that AOP is your file name generated under C Python under this version as a compiled version. Once it is compiled, you can use anywhere else. Compiled forms can be used anywhere else, right or not? This is used in some other programs as a runnable component. One more is what? One more is called what? Maths info dot what? C Python hyphen what? 310 dot pyc. That is also created. Are you getting, students? So today I am writing what again? ICICI also created here. What is that? ICICI. What is this now? ICICI dot C Python. What is that? Hyphen 310 dot what? pyc. This is what is created. Did you understand this point? So today, let me execute it. I'll go to next. I will say here. Tell me now. Print of what? SC3 is called SC3 dot what? Py. What I'm writing? What I'm writing now? Saying here bank name dot format of what? B name. Come on, B name. Next I'm taking what? Tell me, students. Bank. Yes, bank address. What is this now? ADDR. Okay. Now I am writing. I'll call the function name. What is my function name? Simple int. I am going to call it. Simple int. I am going to call it. Is it an error or not? Compulsory error. Go to the location, students. Modules here, mom. I'll say here, save it SC3. Go to the place here. Now I am going to say py error, b name error. Next is called what? Address error. Everything error or not? What I will do? Come on. Import ICICI. Only importing enough form? No. Call it ICICI dot. Come on. ICICI dot. What is this now? ICICI dot. I called everything. Now see, here I will say SC3 dot bank name, address, principal amount 1000, 2 and 3. Got the answer or not? This is the way how you got the details. Understand, students? So what did you understand between functions and modules? Functions for what? Modules for what? You tell me, I want to listen. Functions are used for performing the operation and provides the code reusability within the same program, but not possible to reuse across the programs. By using what? Functions. In order to reuse the global variables and functions across the programs, we will go for modules. Easy? Modules. Modules, again, limitation is what? Module name plus main program must present in same folder. If they are present in different folder, again I need to go for packages. Okay now? Yes. If we want to go to PyCharm, I will show you the PyCharm also. PyCharm also I will show you. Let's close this area now, students. Close this area. Now I will go for what? Functions are already over. Close this area. New project, 6 p.m. modules. 6 p.m. modules. Done. Same coding, nothing difficult. So available here. Go to the place. I say, copy this, copy this. Here you say, ICICI. System is very fast like you. Very fast like you only. So it is running only. Behind the screen, it is running. So once again, I will say, it is running. Okay, it will come after some time, I will come. Are you following this? Let us come to once. Right click, now it is coming. Python, ICICI dot what? Py. You paste that. This is my code. Now I'll write what here, you know. ICICI demo dot what? Py. Now I am going to write it what? I'll write my main statement. Main statement in the sense the statements I'll write it. The statements I'll write it without importing. Without importing, I'll write it. I don't write this. I don't write this. I don't write these lines. I don't write these lines. See that red lines beginning only available. Try to run it. Error will come. B name not found. Next is called what? Address not find. This everything not found. Do you know how to solve these errors? Come on. Tell me. Import ICICI. Import what? Import ICICI. Now, only import enough form? No. ICICI dot B name. Okay. B name. Next is what? ICICI dot address. Next, ICICI dot simple int. Dot. You run this. Try to run it. See that. Bank name, bank address. 2000, say 3 and 4 got the output. Following. Easy or difficult? Easy. Done. Now I'll go to the next area. Online students. PyCharm also done. What did you understand so far? Functions of modules, if you look at, where is the higher reusability? Modules. Modules means same folder they are present. So for example, you see, in the folder called this one, my module is present, my main program also present. Then only it is having reusability. If this is present into Edit Plus, I am executing in Jupyter Notebook, modules will not work, functions will not work, only packages will work. Okay, now that I will take care about the further package level. Now I am going to show you what is that underscore PyCache I want to show you. Come on, students, under the place of 6 p.m. under the modules, so far I used it, you observe it. Created or not? Created. What is that? Double underscore. Under that PyCache double underscore. Under that you try to see try to see this now. Try to see now. AOP dot CPython hyphen 310 compiled Python file. Compiled Python file, all of them you see. Now try to open it. Go to the properties. Go to properties. What is available there? You see now what is this? .pyc. .pyc is there. Are you following this? .pyc you need to take. So it is nothing but what you know. Python compiled file is taken place. Are you understanding, students? Are you able to understand or not? So easy or difficult? Now I am opening some small documentation for you. So continuously talking the coding. Middle of it, some coding I want to show you. Let me go to the modules here, students. I want to show you a small description here. What is that first one? modules in Python I want to show you. Try to start here. All of you try to answer my question on readout. We know that functions are used for performing certain operation and provides code reusability within the same program, but not able to provide code reusability across the programs. The purpose of modules concept is that to reuse the functions, global variables, class names of one program to another program, provided both the programs present in same folder. Definition of module. A module is a collection of functions, global variable names, class names. Types of modules. In Python programming, we have two types of modules. Predefined modules, programmer or user or custom defined modules. Predefined modules you developed, already developed. That is used by every programmer for universal requirement. Read out. These modules already defined by Python language developers and available in Python software and used by all Python language programmers for dealing with universal requirements. Get it? Examples. FUNC tools, sys module, calendar module. These are all I am going to discuss, students. CSV, threading, everything I am going to discuss. But yesterday only we started with what? FUNC. One important point, students, out of many predefined modules, by default, one predefined module called built-ins. Even in Global's function time, I shown you one small word, built-ins, imported to all Python programs, and it is called default imported Python module. So what is the default imported Python module? Built-ins. Easier? Very good. Next, programmer defined or user defined module. Come on, who will define that? These modules are developed by Python programmers and available in Python project, used by all other members of same project for dealing with common requirements. AOP, Maths Info, ICICI, X, Y, Z, etc. So all these things are comes under which modules? Programmer defined modules. Easy or difficult? Easy. Now, to define the programmer defined modules, what steps are required, ma? What is the first step? I want to listen. Define global variables or not? I am not talking about how to use the modules. No, I am talking about how to define. Define what variable? Second, define function. మీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? ఫస్ట్ డిఫైన్ వాట్? ఫంక్షన్. థర్డ్ వన్ ఈజ్ వాట్? డిఫైన్ వాట్? క్లాస్ నేమ్స్. క్లాస్ నేమ్స్. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఇంపోర్టింగ్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వాట్? రీయూజింగ్. రైటా? ఈటింగ్ యాపిల్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వాట్? రీయూజింగ్. యాపిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ developing apple steps. So you are eating, developing, mixing and saying, because we are not under our own control. Define the global variable, define the function, define the class names. Is comes under what? Developing what? Programmer defined. చూడండి, చెప్పాను కదా, చూపించాను కదా క్లాస్ లో. What is this now? Maths Info. Is it called a module name or not? I am using import. Next you see AOP. What is AOP? Am I importing? What I am doing? Defining. SE1, I am importing. That is different. Reusing, I am reusing. So I am going to show you. I am going to show you development of which module. Watch it. Start. To develop programmer defined modules, we use the following steps. Number 1, define variables. Which variables? Next. That's all. After developing these 3, we must save it on where? You see ICICI. Define global variable. Define functions. Done or not? Everything is there in front of you. So come on to the point. After doing that, see, after developing step 1, step 2, step 3, we must save on some file name with an extension .py. That is a file name .py, and it is treated as module name. Hence, every Python file is treated as what? Module name. Every Python program which we are discussing from now onwards is called which name? Module name. When a file name treated as a module name, internally Python execution environment creates a folder automatically on the name of __ PyCache, and it contains a module name on the name of file name .cpython-311.pyc __ PyCache is a module name. Under that, these are all called module name, module name, module name. Are you following me? Clarity is there? Anybody ask you tomorrow what is the difference between function name and then module name? Will you give clarity? Why do you use functions? To perform the operation and provides the reusability within the same program, but not possible to reuse across the programs. To reuse the variables and functions across the programs, we will go for modules. Okay, now I'm going to use it. How many ways are there to reuse the module variables and functions? By using what? Import. I can say it is over. With that, modules topic is over. Importing, using, importing, using. Now I want to tell you what is the statement? Import. Now I am telling you what? Number of approaches to reuse modules. How many ways? By using which statement? Next, by using from import. First, I will talk about what? By using import statement I am talking. By using what statement? Import statement I am talking. There are 4 syntaxes are there here. 4 syntaxes. 4 syntaxes. And don't get confused. Already I told you one syntax. Import I said. And I made you safe. Yesterday reduce also. We have what? Safety. Import FUNC tools and we did, right? And there are other syntaxes are also there with me. What are those other syntaxes? I am going to introduce one by one in the class. Shall we go for it now? Now, how many ways? First of all, 2 ways are there. 2 ways. One is by using import. Under import, how many syntaxes? 4 are there. 4 syntaxes are available. 4 syntaxes are available. 4 syntaxes are available. What are the 4 syntaxes? I am going to talk about it. Syntax number 1. See students, import. What is that? Module name. This will import which module? Single module will import. This will import what module? Single module can import. At a time it can import single module. I will show you one more example. I will write it. One by one I will write it. I will write it here. Approach, or I can write import syntax 1.py. Now, I will use what here? This part I will use it. Where is my program now, students? That is sc3.py. That only I will use it now. sc3. This I will use it. Under this part I will use it. This one. What is the module I am importing? Right. One more I am using what? Import what I am using? Maths info. Maths info. One more I am using what? AOP. AOP. Print of what? One line I am writing. One line I am writing. One more kind of thing what I am doing? This part I am using it. See it carefully. When I am importing the module name, you are supposed to call the module belongings by using what name? Module name. Module name. Right or not? Next I am writing one more thing called what, students? AOP dot what? Sum OP. It doesn't mean that you need to call all the functions. Whichever function you want, you can call it. That's all. Are you following me? Only one function I want to call it. Import syntax example1.py. Save it now. Execute the code. Execute the code. Py saying like that. Say 1000 here, 2 and 3 here. I got the answer. Simple interest, I got it. Value of pi, sum, I got it. Is it understandable? Done. Finally, go back to this line. Now I am going to say, this is our data. We accessed with respect to what? Module name dot, module name dot, module name dot. Are you following me? What is import here is a keyword used for importing any module in the current program to access its variable names, function names, and class names. Class names least bother. I am accessing function names and variables or not? Right. Next syntax is, take the same example. See students, I will write it. Very simple, my dear students. Now I am writing like this. ICICI, comma, what I am writing? Instead of writing multiple lines, comma, I am writing AOP. AOP. In the single line, I can write it. Import multiple modules, you can write at a time. This is called syntax number 2. Go to this line here. Syntax number 2 is called what? Importing what? Module name 1, module name 1, comma, module name 2, comma, module name 2, comma, so on what? Module name n. What this is known as? Multiple modules. Multiple modules. Go to the place. Here I am saving that. When I am using import statement, you are supposed to access the variable names by using what? Module name, module name, module name. Got it up? Well, save this code, students. Now execute it. Py, see students, same to same answer, 4 and 5. Got the same answer or not? So with import, what I can do? Importing single module, importing multiple modules. Got it, huh? Very good. Next example, see, maths info is a big name. I am writing maths info dot, again and again I am writing. Is it a big name or not? ICICI dot, ICICI dot, ICICI dot. It's my typing work, waste of time. What I do is, I will go for syntax number 3. Syntax number 3, you see how simple it is. I am going to introduce syntax number 3 here. ICICI as alias name you are giving. I. Maths info as what? M. As what? A. And don't give duplicate alias names. Don't give duplicate alias names. If I give duplicate alias names, which alias name will be taken? Latest alias name will be taken. So we should not give what? Duplicate alias name. Alias names must be unique. Got it or not? 1 or 2 students are sleeping. So sleeping time, huh? Are you kid or what? So call this as what? I dot B name, I dot ADDR, I dot what? Simple INT. What is this now? M dot, here M dot, A dot, A dot. Students in the online, are you understanding this alias names concept? When do you go for alias name? If my module name is so bigger, instead of writing the bigger name again and again, I'll take a shortcut name. If your name is very big name, your parents will call on shortcut or not? Right? Shortcut. Execute py 3.py. 3.py. 4000, 3 and 4 got the answer. Now, when I am going to take like that, will it work the original name or not? That is my question. Will it work the original name or not? If you look at me, answer is not there here. Will it work or not? Not listening. Will it work or not? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Raise the hands. Good. After a long time, we are saying correct answer. Wrong answer, that is. So, It will not work out because the PVM is going to read this as what? I. So this will not be used at all. You will get error. See the error now? Error is coming. ICICI is not fine. So once you use alias name, original name is not remembered by the PVM at that point of time. So you have to use what? I dot. Got it out? So here 4,400, got the output like this. This is called syntax number 3. Go to the place. I go for that. Here syntax number 3. Module name as what name? What name? Alias name I am taking. Alias name. Single module with what name? Alias name. Alias name must be unique or duplicate. If I give duplicate names, what will happen? Latest one only will be considered. Okay? Any confusion? No. No confusion. So fourth syntax I am talking. So you tell me module related variables, module related functions can be called in how many ways? Module related variables, module related functions can be accessed in how many ways? 2 ways. One is by using module name dot, module name dot. Here you are accessing by using alias name dot, alias name dot. How many ways are there to access? 2. Module name. Right. Next, one more way. Syntax number, one more way. Syntax number 4, easy. Module name 1 in single line as what? Alias name. Tell me. Alias name. I will write next. Module name 2 as alias name. Module name n as what? Alias name. Are you able to follow me? So this is comes under what here? This is comes under what? Multiple modules with alias name. Multiple modules with what? Alias name. See how simple it is. Go to the syntax number 2. Copy this. Now I am going to take it. New, others, and Python here I am taking. What is this now? As what? I. Maths info as what? M. AOP as what? A. So I can write this as what? I. And I can write this as I. And I can write this as I. So I'll go for what you know? M dot. What is this next? A dot. A dot. Not only this sum OP always, you can take what even MLOP also. This is syntax number 4. How many approaches are there? How many approaches are there? 4 or 2 or? Japan already second time mistake is not excusable. How many approaches? 2. First approach, how many syntaxes? What is the first syntax? Importing single module. Next, importing multiple modules. Importing single module with alias name. Importing multiple modules with alias name. Right? Fine. Go to the place and then save this now. Save this, students. Execute it. PY. See this now. Got it. So 2500. So 4 and 5 got the answer like this. Are you able to get me? Right. This is a way how you can follow. This is called approach number 4. How many approaches are there to reuse the modules features? 2. One is by using import statement. One more by using from import. With import, we are going to do what? Calling either with respect to module name or calling with respect to module alias name. So here we are giving alias name to module names. Let me open it. Let us read out that number of approaches to reuse modules. Carefully follow. Read out everybody. We know that a module is a collection of variables, functions, classes. To reuse the features means variable names, function names, class names of module. We have 2 approaches. They are by using import statement, by using from import statement. First one, by using import statement. Start. Import is a keyword. The purpose of import statement is that to refer or access the variable names, function names, and class names in current program. We use import statement in 4 ways. Syntax 1, import module name. This syntax imports single module, import ICACA, AOP, max info. Second, import module name 1, module name 2, module name n. This syntax imports multiple modules. Same. Example you have seen. Third, import module name as alias name. This syntax imports a single module aliased with another unique names. Import ICAC as I, A, M. Got it? 4. Start. Import module name 1 as alias name. Module name 2 as alias name. Module name n as alias name. Easy. This syntax imports multiple modules aliased with unique other unique names. Come on, next. We import all these things. Hence, after importing module names by using import statement, all variable names, function names, class names must access variable names, function names, class name with respect to module name or alias name. So, module name dot variable name, module name dot function name, module name dot class name, or alias name dot variable name, alias name dot function name, alias name dot class name. Okay, now clarity is there. When I tell you the second approach, will you forget first approach? So take care. Again, I am saying with the first approach, we are accessing the variables, functions, class names with the two things. One is by using module name or with alias name. I can give alias name for what? Module name. Understand, students? Well, now I am going for one more syntax. What is the next one? From import. Online students, can you refer up to here? Is it clear? All of you refer it. So 270 students. So around 90, around 29 members, 39 members absent, 269, one student gone. Snacks time it is, snacks time. So snacks time or dinner time, I don't know. So gone. So some students absent today. Friday comes, slowly we'll go for preparing underground action plans. So next, okay students, now I'll go for continuation part. By using what next? Come on. By using B is called what? From import. From import statement. This is basically used. How many syntaxes are there? 3 syntaxes are there here. 3 syntaxes. So, breakfast time. Okay. Good. So, breakfast time. Now, let us go to the point back to next. By using what? From import and what is this? 3 syntaxes. Now, see students. Okay, ma. Good. Okay. So you are in, I know, you are in USA. Good. Now coming to the point of it. Go to the point of it. From import statement, 3 syntaxes are there. What are the 3 syntaxes now? First syntax, syntax number 1. Syntax number 1, I am going to take up. From module name. Come on, what is this? From module name. From module name. From that module name. What do you want to import? Import. Come on. Variable names, comma. Function names, comma. Class names. From this module name, what do you want to import? From the shop, what you want to buy, you are writing. From the shop, what you want to buy, you are buying. From this module name, you are importing these variables. That time you need not write module name dot, you need not write. Directly I can use variable names, function names, and then class names. Go to the another one. From is a keyword, import is the keyword. Go to that. I'll go to the point back to syntax number 1. I'll take up students. Watch it now. I will take up now. How easy it is. I say here from I'm saying here from import to syntax example 1.py. What I do from, tell me, from ICICI import B name, comma, ADDR simple int. Next, from where maths info import PI, comma, E. From AOP import sum OP. Sub OP, multiplication OP, it is up to you. I want only one function I will import. It is a very good syntax. Understand? It is up to you. You want to write sub OP, you can write it. But what I want, what I need, I will take that only. Understand, students? Now, that time what I will do, I will write directly what? B name. I will write directly what? ADDR. I will directly write what? Simple int. That's all. Are you getting my point? Maths, PI I can write directly. E I will write directly. And I'll write sum OP. And I'll write what again? Sub OP of 1020. I will write it. That's all. What is the difference from first syntax? First syntax takes what? Module name dot unit, right? Here I am writing what? Directly I am writing. This is easier, right? Let us save this now. Let us save this now, students. Done. Anywhere else error? Now run this code. Go to the place, students. Now I am going to write it. PY. See, students, 1000, 2 and 3. Got the answer or not? Are you identifying the difference from previous syntax? So from import will give you the effective kind of mechanism. This is called, so no need to go for module name. No need to take alias name. Directly we can use it. This is called syntax number 1 in where? From import. Next syntax. My dear students, careful. Module syntax number 1, approach number 1 is giving alias name for modules. But when you come to this syntax number 2, we are giving the alias name for variable names. Function name, import variable name as what? Alias name, comma, function names as what? Alias name, comma, class name as what? That's all. So what is the speciality of approach 2? Giving the alias names for whom? Variables, functions, classes. Syntax 1 gives alias name for what? Modules. Got it, huh? So go to the place. Here I am going to take it. Take the same example of previous one. You go for this now, students. So here I will go for it. I will take this man for point. Next example, I take it. Others here. See, my dear students. Import ICICI as what? B. Right? ADDR as what? A. As A. Simple INT as what? SI. Take your own name, but it should be unique. PI as what? P. E. That's all. Only one letter now, one letter only. If you want, you can give your own name also, no issue. And sum OP as what? Yes. Something like what? AP, addition. As what? As what? SP. Sub operation. Are you following? Come on now. What should I write? B. What should I write? A. What should I write? SI. SI. What should I write? Tapali. P. What should I write? E. Capital E. And the next what I will write? AP. What should I write? That's all. SP. Followed up. No duplicate names to be given. If you give duplicate name, latest one will be taken into consideration. Okay. Try to execute. It is called what? 2.py. Alias names. Go to the place. See students how simple it is. Py. Done. So 5,000 here. 2 and 3. Got the output. Understood? This is called what? Second. What is the first one? From module name. Import variables, function names, class names. Second one, from module name. Import variable names as alias names. Function names as alias names. Class names as easy. Easy or difficult? Easy. So go to the next one. What is next one? I am going to take up here syntax number 3. Syntax number 3, which is not recommended in industry. Not recommended in industry. But as a teacher, I would like to give you this. Not recommended in industry. Recommended syntax is 2. Anyone you can follow, but syntax number 3 of this second approach not recommended. What is the second syntax, students? From what? Module name. Import star. Import star. Star means what? All. From that module name, import all of them. Import all of them. From shop, import all the items. Will you get it? Will you get all of them or only required things? That's why this syntax is not recommended. Suppose if a module is containing 100 functions are there, 100 variables are there. Will you write import star? Unnecessarily they are available to my present program. Main memory space is wasted. Correct or not? So go to the last one. As a teacher, I would like to say this, but we should not use it in the real world. So go to the place. So coming to the point back, one student raised a doubt. Read out the doubt and I will answer it after this now. 3 dot. So coming to the point back, from ICICI, import what? Star. From maths info, what is this now? Star. From this place, say star. Star, star, star. What is this now? When you say star, compulsory you have to use original names. What I will write it now? Simple INT. What is next? E. Next, PI. PI. What is this? PI. Now E. What is this now? Some OP. Sub OP. MULOP I will take. It is up to you students what you want to take. Run this code. Run this code. Done. Execute students. PY. Got it. 5,000. 2 and 3. Got the output. Understood? But it is recommended or not recommended? Not recommended. So one student doubt is there. I'll look into that doubt. Vidyasagar is asking the doubt. What is the doubt? I will paste it on the screen. Sir, if say import module name, we'll also do the same now. He's talking about import star, right? He's asking the same. Vidyasagar, are you asking the same? Yes. So, from where? Import from module name. From module name, import what? Star is exactly similar to the same thing only. Already told you now. Import what? Module name. What is the best syntax I told? What are the best syntax I told? Syntax number 2 or 1 and 2. From import is best syntaxes. 1 and 2 are the best syntaxes. Vidyasagar, right. Now go to the place back. Now I will say here. I'll go to the start by using from import statement. Read out. Here from import are the keywords. The purpose of from import statement is that to refer or access the variable names, function names, class names in current program directly without writing module name as alias name. By using import, you have to write module name dot, alias name dot. Here, directly we use it. We can use from import statement in 3 ways. Syntax number 1, from module name, import variable names, function names, class names. This syntax imports variable names, function names, class names of module name. From calendar, import month. From AOP, import these two. From maths info, import these two. From ICICI, import these 3. Whichever module you like it, you import only that particular part. From yesterday, from FUNC tools, import reduce. I can use reduce directly. Understand or not? Yes. Next is called what? Syntax number 2. From module name, import variable names as alias name, function names as alias name, class names as alias name. This syntax imports variable names, function names, alias names of module with unique alias names. Import from calendar, import month as M. From AOP, import ADDOP as A, sub OP as S, MLOP as M. Bhargavchari, hold on ma, hold on. Don't be excited. I will clarify. One time question is there, that is enough. I will clarify. I am in the flow now. Don't put me stop. I'll see your question. I'll copy your doubt. Don't excite. Okay. One time question mark, more than enough. I'll take care about your doubt. Hold on. Okay. Don't be excited. Take care. Now I will go to the flow. Commands to the point back. Done. After this is understandable or not? Yes. From module name, import star. This syntax imports all the variable names, function names, class names of module. This syntax is not recommended to use because it imports required features of module, also import uninterested features also imported and leads to more main memory space. Import calendar import dot star. These star approach is not recommended. Hence, importing all variable names, function names, class names by using from import statement, we can access variable names, function names, class names directly without using module names and alias name. Here variable name, function name, class name directly. Earlier we need to access with respect to what? Module name dot, alias name dot. Here we are using what? Directly. Hence conclusion. Hence with the import statement, we can give alias name for module names only, but not for variable names, function names and class names. Whereas with the from import statement, we can give alias names for variable names, function names and class names, but not for module names. Clarity? So modules easier, difficult? Behind the module, what is there? Functions, only functions. Classes. Next, variable. Function contains what? ఎందుకు వస్తారా మీరు క్లాస్కి అసలు? So function contains what? Function is a collection of what? ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను కదా మీకు అసలు. Module is a collection of what? Functions, global variable names and class names. ఎప్పుడు విని అప్పుడు మర్చిపోవడమే. లిజనింగ్ హియర్, ఫర్గెటింగ్ హియర్. Ghazni mind. So what is the definition of module? A module is a collection of functions, global variable names, function names. చెప్పినంత వరకే మళ్ళా. How many approaches are there? How many syntaxes are there? 7. ఏం రాదు అసలు. How many approaches? How many syntaxes? Who will tell 7 syntaxes? Who will tell 7 syntaxes? Can you tell? Stand up. Start. No. Why pen keeping in the mouth? Come on. Who will tell 7 syntaxes? Commitment ledu. Responsibility no. Dedication no. Concentration no. First syntax. Importing single module. Importing multiple module. Importing single module with alias name. Importing multiple module with alias name. That is a 4. Next, from module name, import variable name, function name, class name. Second, from module name, import variable name, alias name, function name as alias name, class name as alias name. From module name, import star. You are telling along with me, okay, but when you go to interview, KVR sir will not come along with you to start the switch, start button. Bike ఒక స్టార్ట్ బటన్ ఉంటుంది, కార్లో ఒక బటన్ ఉంటుంది, పుష్ బటన్, స్టార్ట్ బటన్. When you start, engine will start. KVR sir will not come to start the engine. You have to have self starting is required. Self start ఉందా అసలు? Self ఉందా? Do you have self or not? ఏ నవ్వుతారేంటా? Why you laughing? Do you have self or not? Huh? So come to the point back. Now I am going to start. This is comes under what? Modules and then their approaches. Import star is, so this is comes under, and our student doubt I will look into that. So see the doubt. Bhargav Chari, 7:24. So 2 times question is coming. So 1 time is enough. Bhargav Chari. Bhargav Chari, come front. Bhargav Chari, come front once. I'll give imposition for you. Come front. Say yes. Bhargav. Bhargav, are you there? Yes. What is the readout? Sir, can we use this created modules in another system? Answer. No. Already I said, what I said, modules will present in same module. Main program and module present in where? Same module. If I want to use it in other system, other network, other folder, we'll go for what? Packages. Bhargav, write down imposition for 1000 times today. Right? Is it explained or not, Bhargav? Bhargav Chari. Explained or not? What is the answer for it? Packages. Said or not? And for the 2 times question, same thing, 2 times question, 3 times question, 4 times. Same question, if you ask 100 times, same answer will come. In my class, no doubts will come when you listen carefully, because I will explain like what crystal clear I will explain. Chilaka palkullaga explain chestan meeku nenu. Whether you observed or not. When my subject is increasing, I'll explain so clearly for you. Right? So you need to just read, that's all. We go on listening, everything will be cleared. This is about what? Modules concept. Bhargav, got it. So writing imposition now? Right. So understand now? Fine. Open the notes. So 4 o'clock, Akanksha is there, Akanksha. Which class student I said? 10th class. She is asking, sir, can I apply for MNC companies after Python is completed? She's saying, sir, day by day I'm getting confidence in coding, sir. Because studying intermediate, BTech, already I'm seeing so many people, sir. Can I apply directly? So what is your answer? Can she apply? Why? She is talking very good English also. Not like our English. Our English is very danger. You know that. So, something? Girls are commenting something. So, she can apply. Confidence is important. No. She is very fast, huh? So, very fast, no. Subject confidence is like that. Why you are not getting? Because not practicing. Body not cooperating. Body is prepared like that, not active. So, start. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will generate multiplication table by using modules. By using modules. By using modules. So what did you understand? In one program, I will write the logic of multiplication table. In another program, I will give for reusability. So today I will do it in Hyderabad in this system. Suppose, for example, the same code I want to access in my system, in my home. Or Bhargavchari want to access in his system. How to do it? Packages I will use it. Modules means what? Same folder across the programs. Functions means what? Same program, same place only, not in other place. Now tell me here, mul table dot, this is 1 minute more. So I'll go to this place, here Python, saying here mul table dot py. Come on, def. Module will always contain either global variables or functions. Table of what? N I will write it. What is that now? N less than or equal to what? 0. Same logic, nothing is difficult. Is what? Invalid input. Is invalid input. Dot format of what, ma? N. I'll write what here? Else. Tell. Something? MUL table for what? MUL table for what? You know? So MUL table for dot format of what? N. Now I am writing for I in range of 1, 11. Say now print of \t into is equal to dot format of n, n into I. Say this is done, right or not? Fine. So you know entire thing. It is called what here? File name and very good. File name and module name I will take it. .py. Save students. Go to the place. Done. Very well. Now I'll go to the next program. MUL table demo. MUL table demo. MUL table demo dot what? Py. What is my function name? Table of 10. Function call. Error or not? What is that error? Name error. Name error. So, name error. So, py, mul database. Saved in some other place. Yes. Go to the place. Save it into your location, students. 6 p.m. Modules. You save it here, MUL demo. MUL table is also there here. 6 p.m. Modules here. Under that, MUL table is there on? There on? There are not there. So 6 p.m. modules here. So here you save it. Done. Both of them are present in the same place. PY. Done. Error. Table is not defined. Do you mean tuple? And Python is asking, table means what? It starts with what? It's predefined one. That's what it is asking. So you need to tell Python PVM. It is not tuple. It is what? Table. Tell me. From where? MUL table. Import table. Table. That's all. From MUL table module. Import table. Now, not here. We should not write here, you know. We should not write here. We should write in where? MUL table demo. Here we need to write it. Yes. Here we need to write. So you'll get the answer called what? 10th table. Right, students? If you want, you can write what you know, students. Import what? MUL table as empty. As empty. You can write what you know, empty dot. Some 19 I can write it. 19th table will come. 19th table will come. So it is your own talent, how you can remember. Once you read well, you will do good. If you don't read now, nothing will come. So under this, I want to ask you directly one dynamic input, right or not? Enter a number for generating what? Multiplication table. Multiplication table. You execute it. PY. Say, what happens? Ma? From enter the number 5, 5th table. Enter the number 18th table, 19th table, 18th table. Like that you'll get it. Minus 19, invalid input. Say 0, invalid input. Following? This is the way how you need to develop. This is what you learned today. You see, purpose of module, definition of module. Little doubt about you. What is the definition of module? Module is a collection of functions, variables, class names, types of modules, predefined under this. Steps for developing also, you know, approaches also, certain examples. Tomorrow I'll go for what? Reloading modules, these cases I'll go for it. Important. Saturday. Coming or not? Coming. Right. Coming means good. Not coming means underground. Online students, take care. Don't miss tomorrow class. Important. Thank you. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow class.